Hey, welcome back to Adam's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing our food review on Meltyblend. It is a type of chocolate that I got the strawberry flavor and it's shaped like a cube. It'll have like strawberry filling on the inside and chocolate on the outside. So, let's open it up. Come on. Okay, let's open this. So as you open it, out comes these. These are little packets containing one Meltyblend inside. So let's open it up. Mini packaging. So here is the cube. It's very nice and smooth. So I've discovered that it's very creamy. It definitely has some chocolate and sugar and some strawberry. So it's the perfect gift for Valentine's Day or any other holiday. So this has been a quick video, so I'm gonna eat another one. It's very hard to open the package. So this is definitely like a kind of pastry cookie, kind of. So it's pretty good. It's better than Kit Kat, I guess. It has a good texture. It's what you expect. I rate it 8 out of 10. See you next time at Adam's Kitchen. Bye.